Hello, and welcome to this brief demonstration video about the Adaptive Equipment app. As educators responsible for preparing the next generation of therapists and clinicians, it can be challenging to provide practical experiences that involve working with patients in need of adaptive equipment. That's where the Adaptive Equipment app comes in. This innovative app aims to assist faculty and students in how to apply, fit, and train clients in the use of assistive and adaptive technologies. The app is centered around a real client with a spinal cord injury, providing an immersive learning experience through videos showcasing the client's challenges while performing daily tasks, as well as their remarkable progress with the aid of adaptive equipment. Once in the app, you'll notice that it is organized by 4 categories of content, including activities of daily living, instrumental activities of daily living, multi-use equipment, and case studies. To learn more about a specific piece of adaptive equipment, simply click on the category you are interested in to view all the equipment in that category. For example, within activities of daily living, we find many equipment items in this category, including dressing aids, feeding aids, grooming aids, bathing aids, toileting aids, and functional mobility aids. Let's use feeding aids as our example for today. For each equipment item in the app, there are the 3 types of information provided, including a brief overview and demonstration of the equipment item by a therapist, including the purpose and potential populations that may benefit from using the adaptive equipment, with key takeaways. The next is the video with drop-down menus of the important therapist instructions to the patient. And finally, a patient education section with a brief video and written information on the overview of the item, how to use the item, and important safety tips. This information can be easily shared to the patient or caregiver through the Share Tools button. Remember, any of the links here will allow anyone to access the page and view the page without signing in, but the link will expire after 7 days. The Adaptive Equipment app also contains content on instrumental activities of daily living, like meal preparation aids, multi-use equipment, including a universal cuff with a strap or with silicone and foam grip tubing. Additionally, the app includes a case study to assess students' knowledge and critical thinking skills, further reinforcing their understanding of adaptive equipment usage. The case study includes the history of the patient and 4 clinical reasoning questions. The answers to the questions can be displayed by the instructor, but are hidden from the student. This makes it easy to use the case study as an in-class small group discussion activity or as an out-of-class learning assignment. When the instructor displays the answer during the review of the case study, there's the option to click on the hyperlink to open a new page of the equipment item, or to preview the video of the equipment item in a new pop-up window. Thank you for joining me for this brief walkthrough of the features of the Adaptive Equipment app. With its variety of adaptive equipment, educational videos, patient instructional guides, and a realistic case study, the app equips students with the knowledge, skills, and clinical reasoning abilities necessary to provide optimal care for individuals in need of adaptive solutions. Experience the future of education and clinical practice by exploring the new Adaptive Equipment app today.